Have you ever watched so many videos about content creation, done so much research, so much bullet point or script writing, so much depth in thinking that it actually felt like you made a video, but you didn't?
But you didn't.
Yeah, that was me for weeks.
One eternity later.
Okay, I'll admit, sometimes months. I thought I was being productive. I was doing all this research. I was using ChatGPT. I was pre-making thumbnails. I was working on scripts. I was going in and changing up all the words, making it me, truly me. And it turns out I was just getting a PhD in procrastination. I wasted weeks learning instead of doing. Don't be me. Don't be me. Okay? Don't be me. Look, I'm your friendly neighborhood tech troublemaker, and today we're going to talk about a sneaky little trap that so many creative folks fall into. It's the overlearning, it's the overplanning, it's the overthinking.
Analysis by analysis that comes with overthinking.
You know, everything except hitting that shiny red record button. I bet you even did your stream deck, if you've got one, and lined it up and ready to make the video, but you didn't. See, it's confession time.
Oh, I love confession time. I
used to spend hours watching videos on YouTube about how to make the perfect video. I watched the same top 5 tips, top 5 YouTube tips videos as if they were Marvel post-credit scenes. I mean, I had spreadsheets, I had checklists, I even had the color-coded Notion board, and yet I wasn't making anything. No videos were coming out. I convinced myself that I was getting ready, but really, I was scared. I was scared it wouldn't be good. I was scared no one would watch. I was scared that I'd finally try and still fail. And that was the wake-up call. That was the wake-up call for me. No one gets good at making videos by thinking about videos. You get better by doing, by publishing cringe. I know, I don't like it, but if you look at my video channel, I'm sure you can find cringe.
Hey, ladies and gentlemen, I am trying something new here. Let's hope for the best.
YouTube is not easy. You are probably not lazy. You are probably feeling overwhelmed. You're stuck in those thought loops. You just, I gotta think it through. I gotta do this, that, and the other. And you're trying to figure out the perfect plan instead of just taking the first step. And I get it. You want your first project, or maybe it's your 10th, to be amazing. Just this amazing cinematic masterpiece. But that's not how it works. Trying to make your magnum opus is too much stress. But you need to build a habit of creating. It's like trying to run a marathon when you haven't even walked to the mailbox. And I've got a fix, okay? I got 4 practical steps. Here's what helped me finally break the cycle. All right. Step 1. Write this down. I'm going to shoot for 10 minutes today. No pressure, no polish, just action. I'm going to make a video. I don't care if it's just my iPhone, or I got a GoPro laying around, or some webcam, whatever you got. Make the video. Step 2. This one hurts. Ship ugly. Ship ugly. Make an ugly video. Perfection is a myth. There's nobody perfect in this video, even though the person trapped inside me is a perfectionist. He's not showing up on this video. If you wait until it's perfect, you will never publish. Never. Step 3. Build streaks, not monuments. 1 video a week, 1 post, 1 idea, small, repeatable. Small and repeatable. That's the magic. And step four, this is going to be the one that hurts the most, it hurts your pride the most, but embrace the cringe. Your early work isn't supposed to be good. Mr. Beast says you have to make 50 bad videos. I've made hundreds of bad videos. But your video is supposed to exist. You have a story, you have a voice, you have a legacy perhaps. Maybe your videos your kids watch. Maybe your kids' friends watch. You can cringe about that later. But momentum, my daughter tells me her friends watch my videos. I don't know what they see in me. Momentum turns to motivation. And motivation comes from doing. You gotta do. Momentum comes from doing. You gotta do. If you are a creative stuck in learning mode, like I fall into, you need to hear this. Let's get really close to the camera here. You're not broken. You're not lazy. You're just scared. And that's okay. But you can beat fear with action. Do small steps, one project at a time. I've wasted weeks getting ready for this new video I want to do. But you can start today. Don't be me. Don't be me. You be you. You do you. You make that video. If this video helped, hit that like button. If you're ready to take action, drop a comment. Put, I'm done learning, I'm doing. And then subscribe to my channel. I've got more videos just like this where I give creator motivation, creator inspiration. We talk through the challenges of content creation. I'll see you on the next one. Unless you're still watching that video, Top 10 Mistakes Beginners Make. You know who you are. You know who you are. YouTube says you should watch this video next. Or maybe that one. Nope, sorry. This one. Watch one of these two videos. And subscribe.